Everyone, my name is Amr, iOS developer. I hope everyone doing fantastic. Today in this video, we're gonna demonstrate what is new in Xcode 14. Okay, let's go ahead. The first feature, let me write struct. We will name this struct user. In this struct, we have two property. First property is name. The string, give it string type, and also we have the ID, give it a string type. In old version Xcode, when we want to create initialize for those two properties, we must do it manually. But in Xcode 14, give us the feature or ability to make this autocomplete and create this code for you. Let me do it. We have, when I write the in, give you a properties or like a list here, give you what you want. But if you figure out here, the first one, it's in it gives you your initializer and your code is ready. He's writing code for you, the naming and also the properties and everything right for you. That's what I like in Xcode 14. This is the first feature. Let's go to the second feature is for the codable. Okay, let's go. We make a struct. In the struct, let me name it this struct car. It will convert to the codable. And we have two property also here for sake of simplicity. We have a string. This is a car name, and we have car ID, and it will be integer. Now I want you to imagine if you want to create a code case for those two properties. In the real projects, it will be more than 5 or 10. What are you going to do in this situation? You want to create a code case. You should do it manually in Xcode, all the Xcode versions. But here, you can do it automatically to be autocomplete. Let me code sign, code keys is not working. New Xcode bugs, it's not stable a little bit. Let me do the code keys. It show it. Code keys. We just write code, show you the code keys. Now, he created your the code keys enough for you without writing it. Okay, let's go to the second things. If you want to create decoder initializer, it will do it also for you. In the first, if you have first one here, you will create it for you. Try decoding container, everything. He is writing code for you, and also for encoding. When I write the encoding, the first two character for encoding, you have two type here, and give you the encoding function automatically. This is the good feature for Xcode 14. It's save a lot of time. Imagine if you have a struct has more than 10 properties, it helps you a lot. It saves time. Okay, let's go to the third feature in Xcode 14 here. Let me scroll. When you scroll here, you see something banned here in these situations. You can see scroll, sorry. It's banging here. This is a new cool feature in Xcode 14. Imagine if you have a huge class, have a lot of methods, and you want to know where are you exactly. In this situation, he will tell you here. He will tell you in these situations we have here that's a little big box until you are in the struct, or if I scroll down, also struct and the enum, This is works for struct enum classes, but it's not a property. This is only show to you where are you exactly in the file, in the class, or what's the method you are. It's a good feature. It will help a lot the developers. The Swift view to be able to show you the another features. Now the Swift preview has been changed and add the new features here. Let's go in the first one. It's one of the most important one is a variance. You have a three types here. Color scheme, it shows you your view in the dark and the light mode. Okay, let me press. Okay, here. Now you can see your view in the light and the dark mode. The second one, the orientation variance. It shows your view and the orientation, like a portrait on the landscape, to show your view in all situations. This is amazing. And the dynamic variance. In the dynamic variance, to see your code, how it's behave in the large fonts here, you know, the large fonts, small fonts, how it's behave. This is good features in Xcode 14. And there's a new feature here. When you want to add image, and this image you should memorize or search for the system name of this image. But in Xcode 14, it makes the life easier. You press to the add here and choose any icon you want here. Just click it and will appear automatically without writing anything. This is amazing. I have a little bit of struggle to know the naming of those images, but now this is easiest way to add. Only just click it and the image, it will be appear in front of you. And let's go to the another feature here in the assets. Now when you create your application, you should add all the types of icons for your applications for different sizes. But Apple here changed these things, and only one from you 140 times 140 pixels, only one icons or one image, it will rendering this for you. This is amazing. You know, a lot of guys they using tools or the generator icons, and in this situation you don't need that, and only add this is size and everything, it will be great. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video, and this is only a couple of features in Xcode. Thank you very much.